Hello my dear friend. Today I'd like to show you another technique of quick multiplication of two-digit numbers. I strongly recommend you to watch the previous episode about the crisscross method for multiplication. When you master it, I'm sure you can move to the one I'll present today. This multiplication method or technique is my primary one, as I find it the most convenient among them all. So let's get started and explore this efficient way of multiplying two-digit numbers. 15 times 22. This example is not as difficult, but when you start calculating it mentally, following the classic multiplication approach, it might take up to 15 seconds or even more. I suggest simplifying things. After all, mathematics is always about finding ways to simplify complex problems. Okay, 15 times 22. Take 15 and multiply it by 2. You'll get 30. Next, take 22 and divide it by 2, which equals 11. Now, finding 30 times 11 is much easier, and the result is 330. This is exactly the same result as when you multiply 15 by 22. So, this is called a simplification method. In the process of multiplication, we have three components: multiplier, multiplicand, and product. Using the simplification method, you simplify only two components: multiplier and multiplicand, and at the same time, you balance them to get the same product result as assumed in the original task. So, to balance means, for example, you divide the multiplier by 2 and simultaneously multiply the multiplicand by the same 2 and vice versa. There are no restrictions on whether we simultaneously multiply and divide the multiplier and multiplicand by 2, 3, or 6 or another number. Everything depends on your arithmetic skills and creativity. Let's consider this example: 15 multiplied by 36. If I multiply 15 by 4, I get 60. Simultaneously, if I divide 36 by 4, I get 9. Now, 60 times 9 equals 540. Such an approach is much easier than directly multiplying 15 by 36, which also results in 540. The simplification method is commonly used by elderly generations in European countries. If you are outside of Europe, please let me know if you have ever heard about this method. How about this one? 25 multiplied by 44. If I double 25, I get 50, and if I divide 44 by 2, this gives us 22. Of course, we can calculate the product of 50 times 22, but I can simplify it even further. Doubling 50 gives us 100, and dividing 22 by 2 results in 11. 100 times 11 is 1100. Alright, let's tackle our final problem: 27 times 37. Here, we can simplify the process by dividing 27 by 3, resulting in 9. Multiplying 37 by 3 gives us 111. Now, when we multiply 9 by 111, the answer would be 999. And this is exactly the same result we get when we directly multiply 27 by 37. So, with a little bit of practice, you'll master this simplification method. Try incorporating it in your daily life, and you'll notice how much faster you become at calculating things. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.